guys, my name is Alex here. So today we're gonna you guys, I was gonna make this YouTube channel video by building a train to show you how to do a tutorial. So today's tutorial is the Marc HHP-8, and this is found in it's an electric locomotive in the Northeast Corridor. Also, there's cars here. I'll do that in another tutorial, in another video. So first, let's get started. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take smooth red sandstone, put it right here, 3 blocks above the track, right here. I mean there, and then we're gonna take a slab. We're gonna take a slab, and then a sandstone. Here, let me just get that back. Because it's like a smooth red line. So there you get here. Put it right here. Put some slabs right here. Let's see. And after that, you just put 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then you put a stairs, upside down stairs. And we put another slab, so we're gonna probably do it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then you're just going to do the same thing. It's like we did at the front. So, yeah, just like this. And also we put this right here. And then let's just extend it right here. Okay, just so you know what's like in the camera. And then we get this, and then this, and then extend this back from where you were. And next we're gonna build the front. So that we're gonna take light gray wool and then add it right here. And then right here, and then extend it right over here. Right here. This is actually a double headed locomotive, which means it has a double head. And if you look it up. And also, now next we're just gonna put this right here. And then we're gonna take blue concrete. Put it right here. Okay. And then we're just gonna put one right here, just to the sides. And then we're just gonna make the windshield. So then we're just gonna make the windshield. So, wait, let's just put that right there. It's just a part of it. We're just gonna make the windshield now. So we're gonna take, oh, jeez. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna put a block glass right here, and then this right here, and extend it 2 blocks like it. And then we did the windshield. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a light gray carpet, and then we get stone slab. Put it just right here. And then we just extend it straight over here. Okay, let's see. I'm just extending this. Don't need to add this. I'm just seeing where it can go. Until you reach to this point. And so we're just gonna put this right here, and then just reaching it all the way here. do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so, okay. We're just doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, we're just gonna skip blocks so we can add the door. And we're just gonna replace this with a stone brick and a stone brick right here. He'll just replace that. Put it right there, and then we'll put this right here. Same thing on the other side. Sorry about the noises. I'm just put some videos upstairs. And oh my muscles. Okay. And then we're just gonna put this right here. And we're almost done. So let's keep doing it. Iron door, put it right here. That's complicated. And then same thing on the other side. We'll just skip at this. Right here. And here. Same thing. Sorry. Okay, I was just sorry about that. Okay. Just like that. Then we pull the rest of this in with this right here. And then after this block, we're just gonna add some bedrock. We'll just add bedrock here as for the vents. And we're just gonna extend it right here all the way to there. And so there. Let's keep doing that. So it's hard to hold Daddy's cam like this. Okay. And then here, let me just extend it there. Okay. We're almost done with this, okay, guys? Let's see. And there's gonna be a symbol right here. You just skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 blocks. 6 blocks. So we're gonna skip 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just gonna add the same thing right here. And the final thing, we're gonna add the pentagraph, or whatever it's called. And we're just gonna add it. This is gonna be most complicated. So add it, so let's skip 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 5. And then add it right here. Right here in the middle. Okay, we're almost done. We're just gonna put this over here. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. And what 6 is gonna be, we're just gonna add this. So that's how you make the HHP-8. Not yet. Wait, I forgot something. No, that's not how you do it. And we just do that. Put some noses right here. Do on the other side also. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. And don't forget to add this part also. Just don't slap. Bye.